Guys, good morning! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. For today's video, check natin ang 2024 Honda CR-V 2.0 RS eHEV eCVT Automatic Nichoroy Gray. Guys, ito yung top of the line variant ng ating Honda HR-V and hybrid na siya guys. 6th generation ng ating Honda CR-V din. So ang kanyang price is 2,590,000 pesos. So tour ko na kayo ngayon sa ating featured unit for today. So guys, for me personally, napansin ko sa 6th generation na Honda CR-V, mas lumaki yung dimensions niya compare sa previous models. Yan. So nakaano na tayo guys, LED headlights with daytime running lights, LED fog lamps, glossy black RS design front grille, and kung mapapansin nyo guys, si CR-V pa lang ang may gantong Honda